this is Tulsi Thapa and we are traveling towards Rani Mahal, Sangja. And after that, all day, for the 3 days tour, we are heading towards, come back again, we are towards Sangja. And we are heading to Alam Devi Than, the holy place in Sangja. This is Alam Devi Than. For your kind information, Alam Devi is the family god of all ex-prince, royal prince, kings, royals, family god. It's Alam Devi Than, which is we call Kul Devta of Purva Raja Haruko, Alam Devi Than. हामी दुईजना दाजुभाइ हिँडिरहेका छौँ and I guess we will travel 3 days towards all the villages and the temples of Sangja, and we'll make a videography of all 3 places. Thank you so much. And this is Vision Thapa all the way from Sangja right now. So after traveling of 15 minutes, we're traveling, and this is walking path. And you can see the beautiful place and beautiful scenery from here. And this is the landscape which we are seeing now is the Jilla of Gulmi. It's Chemiko Pairo. And next to the opposite to that landslide is the Sangja Jilla. And you can see the most beautiful places from top of the hill. And this is the only one site of Sangja Jilla, and this is the way towards Alam Devi Than. This is trekking road. It's an awesome place. As you can see, there is a lot of fog today, so scenery will be not view clearly. So you can see the only nearest places till the camera capture. Thank you. Hello. This is on the way towards Alam Devi Than, and we are having lots of fun on the road. You should travel these places of Sangja, which is one of the famous place by name the Virga Sangja of Ustung. You can see there are lots of places which is beautiful and awesome. As time goes, it will be the second Pokhara for Nepal, and we should visit this place. And this is Travel Nepal videos. You should share this video also for the more information. You can contact me on my email, Gmail, Facebook, everything. Hello, yes. How are you, my friend? And this is our brother, Mr. Tulsi Rana. He's clicking the photos always. He loves to click the photos. And I don't know whether he clicked or not, but he tried to click. And this is travel video, Nepal, Travel Nepal videos. Facility we have from Sangja Mirmi, you will find lots of jeeps and vans to travel towards Sangja Alam Devi. And this is the way, and the roads are a little bit bumpy and dumpy. So we have to travel by this jeep only. And these jeeps are the perfect to travel this road. If you travel by these jeeps, you will be perfect to travel, because if you bring your own car or your own jeep or van, it will be difficult to travel by these dumpy roads. So it's better to travel by bike or by the local jeeps. They are the best.
हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ अहिले हामी आलम देवी मन्दिर क्या देउरालीमा छौँ अनि
देउरालीको चोकमा बसेर हामी पानीको मजा लिइरहेका छौँ।
पानीको मजा लिइरहेका छौँ। पानी लगातारै आधा घन्टाभन्दा धेरै भइसक्यो आएको आएछ। तपाईँले हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ मान्छे कस्तरी दुग्रिरहेका छन् बच्चाहरूलाई बोकेर। हेलो हेर्न
पानी परेको छ। अब हामी देउरालीको यो पानीको विश्रामपछि एउटा जिप छ, त्यहाँ जिपमा हामी जाने कोसिस गर्छौँ तलसम्म, तर हेरौँ कहाँसम्म पुगिन्छ। र अब यो मौसम एकदमै बदलिएको छ, हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ पानीले एकदम। हामीले धेरै सुटिङ गरौँला, यसो खिचौँला भन्ने आशा थियो, तर पानीले चाहिँ हाम्रो क्यामेराहरू सबै प्याक भइसकेको छ। यहाँ हाम्रो तुल बहादुर राणा मगर मगर भन्ने
नेपालको यो स्याङ्जा स्थित रहेको यो आधी खोला नदी हो। खोला भनिसकेपछि खोला जस्तो सानो नदी हो। अहिले यहाँको पानी एकदम चिसो र निलो तरिकाले बगिरहेको देख्नुहुन्छ। यो आधी खोला ड्याम स्याङ्जामा मात्रै पर्ने र यो यहाँको माछा एकदमै मिठो माछा भनेर चिनिने आधी खोला ड्याम। आधी खोला उर्लेर आयो आउने थिइन मायाले बोलायो भन्ने गीत पनि सुन्नुभएको थियो होला। यही खोला हो आधी खोला।